SafetyWing. And today is Wednesday the 9th of October. It's 3:20 PM. I'm coming to you with another triple unboxing. Sam unboxings. Sam triple unboxings. Sam. This is the Samth. Let's start with normal. And shout out Reggae again, Reggae PAI. Khopkhunkhap. This internet hunt, and yes, find out what it is. It's open. This knife was from the SafetyWing market in PAI. Very nice knife. Very good for our unboxings. Let's just go here. Okay, we have a handle. A zip. Be careful in case it springs open. Okay, we have a new meditation pod or meditation tent. So, how to set up? 1. Open the bag and take the tent out. Unfold all parts. Done. Now this one in particular has an extra part. It has, because I have it's here, meditation pod, which is brown. This opens up and you can sit in it. So this new one should be exactly the same. However, it has a compartment where you can lie in. So normally when I meditate for a long time, I will then want to lie down afterwards. This allows you to. You can do both lying meditation and sitting meditation. You can come out and do walking meditation. Fold it up. How to fold up? It shows you how to fold up. Great. That's what I had trouble with the other one. I couldn't fold it. So turn all parts together. That's fine. Yes. Fold the tent into one piece. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. Hold the tent up. Pull each side inward. Each side inward. Press both sides to the centre. Fold up. Hold each circle and push down. Put the 3 circles together. Yeah, sometimes you have to have 3 circles. Tie the tent with the elastic band. Place it into the carry bag. We'll try this and we'll show you it set up in a future episode, a future video. Okay. song. Now this has got the price on it. This was 315 baht. Just picked up on Flash. Okay, we have Monster, open ear AC 600, air conduction Bluetooth headphones. Just some headphones, Bluetooth. These I just thought they were different. I just thought I'd get another pair. Price okay, I thought I'd get them. Open ear design, IPX5 water and sweat resistant. Ultra light and comfortable, clear voice call, USB-C charging port. Yes. Bluetooth 5.4 TWS earbuds, noise cancelling, wireless headphones, black. I thought they'd be useful. Extra set, my other ones run out of battery, or perhaps for sports if I'm doing pull-ups, push-ups. Okay. We have a monster case, that's okay. With the USB-C port, I can see. Oh, that's interesting. Like magnetically kind of flips, look, push, and that part just goes around in a, and there they are actually, they're there. A very interesting shape, look, like little headphones. So this is the left, that's the right, so they look like left and right. Oh, little lights, yes. Left and right. I don't know yet. Right. Goes into the air. How it goes on. I think it's like this. I have to read up, find out how to attach. But I'll show you. This is the right. They clip on. This is the left. When I say clip, not very springy, so go over. Yes, right and left. That's what we're looking for. Paperwork and the charging cable. Monster open ear AC 600 quick start guide. Oh, it's showing like 1, 2, so you put it in the ear and kind of push down. Oh, yes, we have English here. Okay. Give this a read, and I will come back to you at a later date with a review. See what I think of these. Monster earbuds, open ear AC 600. Sam. And this has a price on it, 420 baht. Pun Yisid. Pun Yisid. There you go, this should be useful. Once we I just remembered, newsflash, power has gone again in the forest, power's out in PAI, I believe. Hopefully not too long, just to leave a few hours while they fix the main line or something. So I've heard it's down pretty much all over PAI again. So yes, we have no electricity in the tent or in the camp or the forest, PAI forest at the moment. Hopefully it'll come back. This will need some, I would have thought, some charging, but then hopefully not. It's a multifunctional mosquito killer. I don't want to kill them, I'll switch it on, but they come along and they keep biting me and it's very annoying. Legs itchy, they come after the rain and generally they're around the forest area. Sometimes in the day, mainly I'd say towards the night or early morning. This is hopefully the right colour, looks like it is, black, yes. Now, the USB-C port, mosquito killer with a little hook hanger, hang up, put down, light will probably come on, sensor to take off, a little plastic piece there, or clear, no paper. Lock. That's unlock. And that's lock. Okay, that either doesn't matter. There's a button, this button there. Okay. It comes with a little brush to sweep them off, sweep them out. Pull this away. This is J03 multifunctional mosquito killer. Product functions: purple light traps mosquito, strong electric shock, camping lamp, I don't know. 360 degree protective net, 2000 milliamp battery, environmentally friendly material. Okay, that's it from that box. Use that as forward. So give us a charge when we get power. Give us a read ASAP. Okay, so if you've enjoyed today's video, been watching, please give us a like, a share and a subscribe, as it helps the channel to grow. And I will see you all on tomorrow's video. Khopkhunkhap.